Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark, and I'm back to do an enveloping. What is in this year enveloping? You already know, it's from CSR Collectibles. What did I get in this thing? And of course it has this, handle with care, do not bend, thank you. Bend, thank you. And what is in this thing? No chit chat, let's open it up like now. Alrighty. And also there was a second envelope, so yeah. I wonder if we're gonna see which one we're gonna see first. Okie dokie. So one is going to be from Freddy versus Jason. Oh, spoiler alert. It's the young Jason, played by a Canadian actor by the name of Spencer Stump. He played the young Jason in the flashback sequences of Freddy versus Jason. And then, this is an 8x10 for the record. The second one you're looking at, you're gonna look at 11x17 poster. 11x17 poster of Freddy vs. Jason, and Spencer Stump signed it. A signature of him, Spencer Stump's signature with young Jason, FVJ, Freddy vs. Jason, folks. So yeah, too bad they didn't have the other one that I was expecting, but oh well, here it is. And now, the next one. It's a Caleb Guss signature, Young Jason 09, from the opening of Friday the 13th, 2009. Here it is. I can't believe it. And the next one is the poster. The theatrical poster. Caleb Guss, Young Jason 09, from Friday the 13th, 2009. So yeah, here it is, folks. Here it is, even though the Caleb signature is right below there. Let me get to it in a much better angle. So yeah, here it is, folks. Spencer Stump and Caleb Guss, the young Jasons from Freddy vs. Jason and Friday the 13th, 2009. So yeah, I would love to meet these two dudes in person now they're grown up. Spencer Stump is a year older than me, and the kid that was in this one, I believe he's much younger. But I want to meet these two dudes and take pictures with them and sign the Blu-ray or 4K copies of the films and ask them questions. But all in all, I enjoy the heck out of these two movies as well as the franchises that it came from. Like I talked about Friday the 13th, I love the franchise. Nightmare on Elm Street, Phantasm, Hellraiser is up there with Halloween. So yeah. So if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the contents, comments down below. And also, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, video game collectors, autograph collectors, convention goers, travelers. Heck, shouts to all collectors out there, and shouts to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all, cats and dogs. So yeah. Let's give a shout out to CSR Collectibles, and let's give a shout out to Caleb Guss and Spencer Stump. Shouts to you dudes. So yeah. And also, the YouTube post, I often post what time I post videos at a certain time. Keep an eye on it, daily and or weekly. Even every day when I'm posting new things on the YouTube post. So keep an eye on that as well. So, y'all, this is Sparky Mark signing off. Y'all, take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later.